if we go anywhere out of Gangtok and if it's a border area, we will be needing permit. We are now at North Sikkim right now, and we have started from Gangtok today early in the morning, and our next stop will be Seven Sisters Falls, and we will be reaching to Lachen today. Tomorrow we will be going to Gurudongman Lake, but before Gurudongman Lake we will be reaching at Lachen, and it is at 9,000 feet almost. So let's see what time we reach. The driver told us it will take around 9 hours to reach, so we'll be stopping in few points and having lunch in between, and we'll reach Lachen. So let's see. How do you feel about the weather, man?
It's pleasant. It's nice.
And what you are drinking tonight?
Tonight, XXX rum.
As usual.
As usual.
Is Sikkim or not Sikkim? Always XXX rum. So the Seven Sister Waterfalls is about, the name comes from the 7 steps that are there, but from here we can only see 2 steps. For seeing the 7 steps together, we have to climb at the top from this staircase. So till this point it's a monitoring road, so now we are taking a non-monitoring road. So apparently we are trekking right now. So apparently we reached a point from where we can see only 4 steps of the Seven Sister Falls, but while we asked some other people, they said that you can go up high, you could hike up and just go to reach a place from where you can see the 7 points, but it looks like a non-monitoring road, and we do not have enough time. We have to reach Lachen today, so it's not a good idea. So we're leaving it over here and we are going out to our next stop. This is Rang, which is like 75 kilometers from Lachen. So apparently our driver is saying that we'll be reaching Lachen in 4 hours. So let's hope for the best.
How are you feeling?
बोल भाई क्या क्या?
How are you feeling?
Hi.
What are you? Great. Huh?
Hi.
You're high. That is a common thing we know about you. Tell me something new.
Pure.
Pure, hygienic, organic, organic.
Well, elated, not elevated, elated.
So apparently we are not allowed to take plastic water bottles to Lachen. So if anyone has plastic water bottles, they have to throw it over here, just like we did right now. So you can buy recyclable bottles from this shop. It is apparently 70 rupees with packaged drinking water. They pour it into the bottle and give it to you for 70 rupees.
video. Like this video. Oh, welcome to Jogi Soina. Subscribe to this channel.
This is what bread and butter looks like in 16,000 feet.
আমরা কততে আছি এখন 16000 16000 feet মোট 2000
Oh yeah, cheers! Cheers! Cheers!